All right, so in fact, guys, let's go this way to the used car department. See what they got cooking back here. Nothing in here. Okay, something's been traded in. What's this, man? Toyota. Who traded in? Somebody wanted a Jeep instead of a Toyota. I get it. Okay. Wise choice, people. Wise choice. I don't know. It's an older model Toyota, so they may just merely wanted a newer car. You know, see what they working with in here. Ooh, they don't even have a digital cluster. Key, yeah, key tell me everything. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2009 Toyota 4runner, 4-door. Nothing impressive. Hey, sunroof. What y'all think? In fact, what y'all think they got? Like I say, because this is an 09, they likely just wanted to trade for a newer car. Not that they chose the Jeep lineup or the Jeep product over the Toyota, which is what I was insinuating earlier. Okay, so he gonna do the mechanical checkup. If everything passed, they gonna send it to detail and get it all cleaned up. Nothing really fancy. Nothing to run home about. All right, yeah, they got their old license plate. I don't know how that worked. The man over there doing an alignment on our new alignment machine. But powertrain, what was powertrain? I see 1, 2, 3 coils, which likely make this a V6. In 09, what was we using as a V6? Probably a 3.7. All right. These Toyota imports. Look at that oil filter right there. Yeah, see, I've been in a bubble, guys. It is equipped with ABS. I just put a module on a Charger. Similar ABS module. They don't differ that much from car maker to car maker, but it's a V6 VVT-I. All right, so we got look at this, guys. They do some of the same crazy stuff Dodge do. This terminal is replaceable. You see it's got a bolt right here. You can replace it. This one you can't. It's built into the harness. Now, don't know how to do this. They just simple, especially on older cars. And this one look fairly easy in case you had. It's a ground wire, so it's okay for that to be that way. But they should make them all replaceable, guys, because terminals will fail a lot sooner than the whole harness. Okay. Toyota 4runner, guys. Nothing fancy. All right, I'm going back over here. There go that forklift, Caper. Where you at, Caper? We needed you the other day. All right, I'm going this way, guys. All right, guys, over here. What my neighbor doing? Oh, he got approved for tear down time, guys. Oh, let me show y'all. Okay, we pulled the spark plugs out, and they are smashed, guys. So what do you do from there? You got extra tear down time, guys, because nobody knows what happened. It's hard to give an estimate on something like this. I mean, it's not a new plug. It's not like the customer had a tune-up done and they put it in smash. No. In fact, it looked like it was banged. Something's going on in there, and it's making some weird noises. So we got tear down time, guys. These are fairly easy to yank the head off. Of course, the intake come up, then the head, and then you'll be able to see what you need to do. See, you only saw it on this side, guys. Might have been this cylinder here, but he pulled it out. I heard him over here going, "Holy crap!" That's the noise we make when we semi-shocked. But yeah, y'all see that? Oh, it is? Yeah.
Typical. Yeah, look at all the metal on the outside of the frame. Coming apart.
Yeah, you can see all that stuff on the floor.
Wow.
A Johnnie with a two. All made it, ladies and gentlemen. All right, guys, what we got going on over here? Hey, Hemi. Ooh. All right, guys. Nothing special. Got the timing cover off. Might be doing a recall. P01. Y'all heard of recall P01? All right, guys. If you got a, what is it, 2010, 09, 10, and 8, 9, and 10, guys, there is a recall on. This might be what he's doing. Recall is where we update the valve guide or the timing chain guide, guys. These things are breaking and it cause catastrophic failure, guys. So if you have a recall, please hightail. P01 is what I'm referring to. In fact, I did one. Watch this video right there. All right, I talk about that. Which, like I say, we remove the timing cover and we update your valve guides, and you get a new timing chain, guys. Fairly easy job. Okay, of course the timing cover is off, so you're gonna end up with new gaskets and some new parts. Hemi, yes, they did have a few problems they caught up with early in the stage, and they wanted to get it rectified. Even gonna get a new tensioner. Okay, like when I did, I had some problems. They waited too long, guys, and I think the piston came up and kissed the valve, so it has a small little misfire. All right, so I'm telling you guys this now, so you will not make the same mistake they made. All right, so P01, if it applies to your car, if you don't know, just send me the last 8 of your VIN. I can look it up for you and let you know. But at any rate, get it done if it applies to your car as soon as possible. All right, let's go this way, guys. Hey, look at this beauty here, guys. Y'all know I can't show the whole car. Yes, I love these cars, man. I'm gonna get me one, guys. I just gotta wait till somebody has one that's paid off and they don't want it no more, or it has problem. I buy all my cars broke. That way I can get it dirt cheap. That's candy. Is that candy apple? Do y'all consider that candy apple red? I don't know, but it's a beauty. All right, I'm going back here right quick before we shut down. Let's go see what's going on.